Welcome back, students. Let's recall for whatever we have studied today. In today's class, we have studied the lesson Properties of a Magnetic Field from Standard 7 Science. In this lesson, the first and foremost thing we have come to know that the magnet is a object, it's a kind of object which attracts the objects which are made up of iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. That means the magnet is an object which attracts other magnetic objects too. There are two poles of magnet, one is south and one is north. The like poles do not get attracted, whereas the dislike poles get attracted towards each other. In the experiments on textbook page number 126, we came to know that when a magnet is rubbed on a steel bar, it produces magnetic field, which will behave for like a magnet for a few moments for a short period of time. When it is rubbed with one single magnet, it is called as single touch method, and when it is rubbed with two magnets, it is called as double touch method. The earth is a gigantic magnet. The scientist William Gilbert gave the scientific explanation based on experiments of the observation that a freely suspended magnet always settles in a north-south direction. If they are not freely suspended, then it is not that it will always settle in a north-south direction only. In the magnetic needle, we came to know that when the magnetic needle is kept in the bowl of water, a bowl which is filled with water, the needle will get settled in a north-south direction. The magnetic field. The magnet attracts the needles from afar. In other words, a magnet has an effect even at a distance. The British researcher Michael Faraday named these lines going from one end from the bar magnet to the other end of it as magnetic lines of force. You can see that on the textbook page number 128. The region around a magnet where the magnetic force acts on an object is called a magnetic field. The intensity of magnetic field is low where the lines of force are spare, and the intensity is high where the lines of force are concentrated. Few properties are displayed on the textbook page number 129. We have also come to know that the magnetic field penetrates through a light object. If you take a cardboard, a thin cardboard with a magnet, a bar magnet and few pins which get attracted towards a magnet, you keep the pins below the cardboard and roll the magnet above the cardboard, you will see that the pins get diverted towards the magnet. That means the magnet has the ability of penetrating its magnetic field. And lastly, we have studied about the metal detectors. Metal detectors are made from magnets. They are made for the safety in the regions in the places like malls, airports, bus stations, railway stations, etc. With the help of metal detector, we are easily able to find out if any explosive objects are close to us for our safety. They are in different shapes and sizes too. Some are small, some are like door structure, etc. Here we finish with the lesson Properties of a Magnetic Field. Thank you.